Do you ever feel shy or nervous when trying to speak English fluently? If yes, what if I told you there's a way to practice English speaking anytime, anywhere without the fear of judgment? Yes, you heard right. Meet your new language partner, ChatGPT. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7, ready to help you practice speaking English, improve pronunciation, and boost your confidence. So, basically, there are two ways to practice English, and the first way is to get a 4-week learning plan from ChatGPT. For this, our prompt is act as an English language tutor, help me improve my English speaking, listening, and writing skills. Create a 4-week learning plan that includes daily activities for vocabulary building, grammar practice, conversation exercises, and reading comprehension. Provide tips for improving pronunciation, understanding idiomatic expressions, and practicing with native speakers. Include writing prompts and speaking challenges that gradually increase in difficulty. Each week should focus on a different theme or topic to make learning more engaging. So, we can get a learning plan of 4 weeks from ChatGPT by this prompt. So copy this prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Let's see what ChatGPT gives us response. You can definitely speaking English fluently if you follow this 4-week learning plan. Amazing. You can follow day by day exercises, vocabulary as ChatGPT instructs you in this learning plan. Okay, I hope you like this method. And moving towards our next method, that is conversational English speaking practice by mock interviews. So, our prompt is act as a job interviewer, conduct a mock interview with me in English for the position of. Here is the placeholder you can place according to your position. So, ask me a series of questions related to my skills, experience, and qualifications. After each response, provide feedback on my grammar, sentence structure, and vocabulary. Help me improve my answers to sound more natural and confident. At the end, give me overall feedback and tips for enhancing my conversational English in professional settings. So, let's copy this prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Okay, so here's a mock interview conducted by ChatGPT to test our English skills and give feedback to us. So, our first question is tell me about your background, and as I place the role of machine learning engineer, so the interview is all about ML projects. So, let's see what happened. So I randomly typed simple and broken English. I am a self-learner student. I have a strong interest in ML. So as you want write as your English level is, you can type. Even broken sentences you can also type. So no fear of judgment, no worries. ChatGPT will guide you step by step, word by word. So let's start practicing English speaking or typing with ChatGPT. See how beautiful it is. It tells us the feedback of our each word and sentence. So our next question is which tool are you working? For example, I used Google Colab. So let's see what happens. You can continuously talk with ChatGPT. No limitations. No, you can say there is no limitation that will stop you from learning English. So you can type hours and hours. You can talk ChatGPT with interview. You can also change and tweak this prompt to a between two friends conversation, like whatever you want to talk in. Correct. So let's tweak the prompt, and you can do whatever you want. So nothing stops you from learning English fluently. So let's start learning, and tell me in the comment section after 1 week that how much you learned from ChatGPT.